Close your eyes and sail away to where dreams come out to play. Soft whispers fill the glowing skies. Cradle with the moonlit sighs, sailing on a silver stream, wrapped in peaceful dreams it seems. Close your eyes and rest your head while you snuggle in your bed. Dreamland waits just a breath away until you wake with light of day.